guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I will be sharing my everyday makeup routine with you guys, and personally I do not like wearing foundations, concealers, like full face of makeup every day, especially in summer because it's too hot here in Kolkata. So I do not like wearing full face of makeup. So if you want to see how I do my basic everyday makeup routine, then please keep on watching.
So the first thing I'm using is my sunscreen. This is by Lotus and it has SPF 50 in it, and you guys know that I love this sunscreen and I have been using this from the past 3 years. So now I am filling in my brows with this Freedom Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Ash Brown, and the brush I'm using to fill in my brows is by Faces. I love using this brow pomade because it looks really natural and I love the shade. Next up, I'm using this YBB color creams in the shade Goddess, and this is in the collaboration with Shreya Jain, and I love using this one and it gives that naturally glow to my face. I apply this all over my face, I mean the highest point of my face, and blend it with my fingers. So the next product I use is the Lakme 95 powder foundation, and I use this just because so that my color cream stays much longer. Next, I'm going with my favorite mascara. This is by Maybelline and this is the Lash Sensational Mascara. I use the waterproof version. Now for making my eyes look bigger, I love using this PAC nude eyeliner pencil. Now to highlight my face with the powder highlighter, I love using this Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. I use it on my inner corners of the eyes as well as on my brow bone. And I also apply this on my highest points of my face. And for lipstick, of course, I go with my NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic. I think this is the most beautiful nude shade out there for like skin tones like me. I love wearing this shade, you guys.
So guys, this is the finished look. This is the makeup I wear every day. So if you want to see what makeup I do for parties or events in summer, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do that for you guys as well. So yeah, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye guys.